Hello,
Alright, I'm Jeff.
I'm Jonathan.
We decided to do it in my room today. This is new stuff though. Anyways, what are we gonna talk about?
Let's talk about the True Blue football yesterday.
Yes. Yeah, it was a pretty intense foam slide. It was a lot of fun. We were like diving in behind the security guy so that he couldn't see us in the foam. Except it was hard to breathe in the foam.
Basically, what it is there's just a bunch of blue foam, and they sprayed it all over us, and we just slid down.
They sprayed it all over us. Blue foam.
Yeah, and it left my skin really dry. So like, it feels like I got a sunburn, but I didn't from that crap. But it was still pretty fun. Yep.
Anyways, Jonathan, you have a lot of tests this week or next week?
I did this week, actually, yeah.
Nice. Did you do well?
I did alright.
I had American Heritage essay due tomorrow. This is all pretty boring stuff, actually. I hope we're making you laugh right now.
I hope we're making you laugh right now.
We need to get moving.
Yeah, another thing is, like...
Oops. Hopefully Jimmy won't care that I just messed up his stuff. If I wasn't on camera, I would speak in my mind.
Now you're gone, I realize my love for you was strong, and I miss you here, now you're gone.